Welcome! Today I got a nice little package from Sunsebb and I made a deal for one of his logo locks. So let's see what we got. He sent me also a hat. It's pretty nice logo. And his name. Very cool. Thank you, my friend. We'll come over here. And we got a Nokia 7240. I got this ABIS keyway. Thank you. And here's the product I want to have. I was ask him to get one of these, and he was undecided. He didn't want to know. He didn't know what to do with them. So now I made him a deal he couldn't refuse. Now I got one of his locks. It's a 98 Pro. Very nice. Thank you. What else did he send me? Let's check. Alright, little box with a challenge lock in it. Nice. Got work to do, it looks like. I got some challenge locks on my desk I'm working on right now. I love Canada, yeah. Haven't been there, but I will. Thank you. Got some chips here. Sweet chili and sour cream, sounds good. Need to try that. And sea salt and malt vinegar. And chocolate, yeah, I like chocolate. Coffee crisp. I love coffee, so I need to try them very soon. I will put them on the side here. So I will start with some chips today. So let's try the sweet and chili sour cream. They're quite tasty. Just checking the box. Yeah, it's in here. How about we try to pick this lock? Neither wise. There's one. And I want to protect the... Oh, chili comes a little later. It's still tasteful. Well, for now, just let's put it in like this. Alright, let's get into this one. Let's go way in the back. Nice click out of 7. Click out of 6 and 5 also. Nice. Huh. Oh, well, I was rather quick. Sunsebb. I'm not gonna gut it. It's... I don't have the Allen key for this one right here, but we all know how the Paclocks look from the inside the 98 Pro. So that was a Sunsebb's 98 Pro. Picked, not got it today. And it will go on my wall of nice locks. That was a mail call and I guess a quick pick of 98 Pro. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.